Hello again, and welcome to Taste Cabinet. Join me today as I dig deep and reveal the hidden truths about Feverfew that you won't believe. Feverfew is a herbal remedy that's been around for centuries, and its popularity in alternative medicine is still going strong today. With its roots in ancient Greece and its widespread use throughout history, it's no wonder many people swear by its healing properties. When it comes to Feverfew, there are a lot of misconceptions out there. One of the biggest ones is that it's a cure-all for just about anything. But the truth is, there's a huge discrepancy between what people claim it can do and what the science actually says. I mean, don't get me wrong, there are some studies out there that suggest Feverfew might be useful for certain things, but the evidence is far from conclusive. Take migraines, for example. Some people swear that Feverfew is a miracle cure for migraines, but when you actually look at the studies, the results are pretty mixed. And even if it does work for some people, we don't really know how it works or what the long-term effects might be. It's the same story with inflammation and other ailments. There's just not enough quality research out there to support all the claims being made. Another problem is that people tend to lump Feverfew in with other herbal remedies, assuming that they're all created equal. But the truth is, Feverfew is a complex substance that can interact with other medications and have some pretty serious side effects in certain people. And let's not forget that the quality of Feverfew supplements can vary wildly depending on the manufacturer and the source of the ingredients. When you start to dig deeper into the research, you realize that Feverfew is not the magic bullet that some people make it out to be. In fact, there are some pretty shocking findings out there that suggest it might not be as effective as we thought, or even that it could be downright harmful in certain cases. For example, did you know that Feverfew can actually make certain medications less effective? Or that it can cause some pretty serious allergic reactions in people with certain sensitivities? One of the most surprising things I found was that Feverfew might not even work for the one thing it's most famous for, reducing migraines. I mean, the studies just don't support it, and yet people are still out there recommending it left and right. It's a perfect example of how an herb can be overhyped and oversold, even when the evidence doesn't support it. So, what's the takeaway from all this? Well, for starters, we need to be a lot more cautious when it comes to herbal remedies like Feverfew. We need to look beyond the hype and the marketing claims and actually examine the evidence. And most importantly, we need to remember that Feverfew is not a substitute for real medical treatment. It's just a supplement that might or might not work for certain people. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something new about Feverfew today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our growing Taste Cabinet community. If you've had any experiences with Feverfew, good or bad, be sure to share them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about herbal remedies, be sure to check out my other video on the topic. See you in the next one.